Here we are logged into the Windows Cloud Server as a local administrator. If you need help on how to log onto your server, please reference our knowledge base article or video on the subject. There are 3 steps to creating automated backups. Step 1 is to install GeoDrive to map a drive letter to CloudStorage. Step 2 is to create a script that copies data from the local drive to CloudStorage. Step 3 is to leverage Task Scheduler to automate execution of the script. So let's go to step 1, which is to install GeoDrive. As you can see here in the computer applet, GeoDrive is already installed. How do I know this? Because the P drive is not a local disk, it's actually mapped to CloudStorage. The C and the D drives are the only local disks that come with a Windows Cloud Server. If you need help on how to set up GeoDrive, please reference our knowledge base article or video on GeoDrive. So the challenge is to automate the copying of files from the D drive, let's say in this My Files folder, to the P drive, let's say in this folder. Well, let's go to step 2, which is to create a script, and that's going to help facilitate this process. So in step 2, I'm creating a file, and I'm choosing to create this script on the desktop, but you can put it anywhere. So I've created the file, and I'm now changing the name, including the extension. The default .txt extension will not execute as a script, so I'm changing it to BAT. Now I'm going to edit the file, and I'm going to choose to use xcopy command because that's tried and true. The format for xcopy is xcopy, source, destination, and flags. So let's get the source and destination from our computer applet. First, I'm going to get the source. I'm going to go to my file and then copy it from the top here. Then I'm going to go back into my script file and I'm going to go ahead and paste it. And I'm going to have to put parentheses around the path because there is a space in it. The same holds true for the destination. I'm doing this copy and paste so I don't have to write in the actual path and type it in, because I'll probably have a typo when I do that. Again, go ahead and copy and paste. Now, as far as the flags go, there are a whole lot of them. If you open up a DOS prompt and type in xcopy /?, you'll see the complete list. We won't need all of them. We'll only need a minimum set. We will need /E to copy all subdirectories, including empty ones, /D to copy only new and modified files after the first full backup, and /Y to overwrite older files without prompts. We need the /Y because most likely this will run at night and you won't be monitoring the execution. Let's now save the file right on the desktop and minimize some of these screens for convenience. Now let's proceed to step 3, which is to automate execution of the copy script. Let's go to Start menu, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and Task Scheduler. Once in the program, right-click on the Task Scheduler library and click on Create Task. The first thing we're going to do is give it a name. Let's say Backup Job 1. We're going to go down here and confirm that it is running in the context of the administrator. Click on Run whether the user is logged on or not, and then Run with highest privileges. Next are the triggers. This is the actual scheduling of the job. You can see I'm going to go ahead and set it to daily, starting tomorrow around 1 a.m. You also have the option for weekly and monthly. At the bottom here are some advanced things, including the ability to repeat down to a 5-minute resolution. I'm going to go ahead and just click on OK. Last thing we want to do is tell the system exactly what to do, i.e. run our script file. So I'm going to go ahead and point it to our batch file and then click on OK. I'm going to go ahead and give it my administrator privileges. And that's it. You can see here that the job has not run yet, but the next time it's going to run is tomorrow at 1 a.m. I'm just going to go ahead and run it now by right-click and click on Run. And when I refresh the screen, you can see that the results of the last time it was run are The results are, good. Everything ran successfully. Therefore, I would expect to see all my files there on the P drive, and there they are. These were all the files that came over from my Files folder. We have just created a task to back up one high-level folder and its subfolders. Repeat steps 2 and 3 for each high-level folder that needs to be backed up, as each will require its own script. Good luck, and don't forget to call our tech support hotline with questions. Thank you for joining us.